Welcome to the Tech Factory, where we showcase the latest in futuristic gadgets, electric vehicles, and tech innovations. Thanks for watching. If you loved these futuristic rides, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Tech Factory for more mind-blowing content. Mini Vision NEX 100. The Mini Vision NEX 100 is a concept vehicle that showcases Mini's vision for the future of urban mobility. With the tagline, "Every Mini is my Mini," it introduces a unique idea of car sharing, where the car adapts to the personal preferences of each user. Inside, the vehicle features a central device called the Cooperizer, which communicates with the driver using color changes. Even the exterior can be customized to match the user's style. This concept car also includes autonomous driving capabilities. It can drive itself to service centers for cleaning and charging between uses, adding to the convenience. As a concept car, the Mini Vision NEX 100 doesn't have an official price. However, it represents Mini's commitment to adaptable and personalized mobility, technology that focuses on the user, and emission-free energy. It's more than just a car, it's a look into the future of personal mobility, where cars are networked, customizable, and environmentally responsible. Volkswagen Cedric, the future of driverless cars. The Volkswagen Cedric is a concept car that takes driving to the next level by eliminating the need for a driver. This fully autonomous vehicle can run errands, pick up kids from school, and even take you to the airport, all with just the press of a button. What sets Cedric apart is that it's Volkswagen's first car without a steering wheel, showcasing the future of hands-free travel. Inside, the design is all about comfort and style, with spacious seating, cork flooring, and a sleek OLED screen for navigation and entertainment. Built with safety and simplicity in mind, it's also environmentally friendly, producing zero emissions. While Cedric is still a concept, it gives us an exciting peek into what a greener, driverless future could look like. AirScooter, the future of personal flight. The AirScooter is a revolutionary flying machine that brings a whole new level of personal transportation. Its sleek, modern design and advanced electric motors provide a smooth and eco-friendly way to fly. Whether you're new to flying or have experience, the AirScooter is easy to control, making it perfect for anyone. Its powerful engines give it great speed and agility, allowing you to zip through the air with ease. Ideal for commuting in busy cities or simply enjoying a fun ride in the sky, the AirScooter offers a stylish and exciting way to avoid traffic and enjoy a unique travel experience. With the AirScooter, you're not just flying, you're embracing a new era of adventure and freedom. Jetson ONE, experience the future of flying. The Jetson ONE is a groundbreaking electric aerial vehicle that makes flying easy, no pilot's license required. Picture yourself gliding through the sky, powered by 8 strong motors and propellers that ensure smooth, stable control. Its smart flight computer is super intuitive, meaning anyone can quickly get the hang of flying. Designed with safety in mind, the Jetson ONE has a race car-inspired frame and an automatic landing feature, so you always feel secure. Plus, if one motor stops working, no worries, the Jetson ONE can keep flying just fine. It's a thrilling, one-of-a-kind way to experience the freedom of flight, bringing the future of personal aviation right to your fingertips. Renault Float, the future of transportation. Step into the future with the Renault Float, a groundbreaking concept that transforms what we think a car can be. Designed by Yunan Chai, this autonomous hover car doesn't just drive. It floats above the ground, offering a smooth, futuristic way to get around. Imagine a sleek, bubble-like pod that glides effortlessly without needing wheels or roads. The Renault Float is all about flexibility. You can link multiple pods together for a shared travel experience or split them apart for solo journeys. Although the technical details and pricing haven't been revealed yet, the Float's innovative design and forward-thinking approach to mobility have already made it a standout in Renault's design competition. This isn't just a car. It's a bold vision of how engineering and imagination can shape the future. Terrafugia TF-2. The Terrafugia TF-2 is a revolutionary innovation in urban air mobility. It seamlessly combines air and ground transportation to redefine how we travel in busy cities. Its standout feature is its 3-in-1 design, which includes 3 key components. The eVTOL aircraft for air travel. A passenger module that connects both modes. A ground vehicle for road transport. What makes it remarkable is the detachable pod. This pod effortlessly transitions between the aircraft and ground vehicle, providing passengers with a continuous, uninterrupted journey. No switching vehicles. No wasted time. The TF-2 is powered by a hybrid electric system, with plans to move to full electrification in the future. It offers a cruise speed of 143 miles per hour and a range of up to 185 miles, making it both fast and efficient. Safety is at the core of its design. The distributed electric propulsion system ensures stability and reliability. It also offers versatile landing options, even in challenging situations. The TF-2's lightweight carbon fiber fuselage adds durability and efficiency. With modular functionality, the vehicle can adapt to different needs. Looking ahead, autonomous piloting is part of its ambitious roadmap, making travel even more user-friendly. The Terrafugia TF-2 isn't just a vehicle, it's a new way of thinking about transportation. With its focus on sustainability, efficiency, and convenience, it sets a new standard for modern urban travel.
Air1 Electric VTO, your personal flight experience. Discover the Air1 Electric VTO, a revolutionary aerial vehicle transforming personal aviation. Ideal for thrill seekers and tech lovers, this electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft lets you fly above traffic and explore the skies with total freedom. The Air1 stands out with a top speed of 155 miles per hour and a range of up to 110 miles. Its advanced electric propulsion system powers 2 passengers, while its foldable wings make it easy to store at home or in a regular parking space, perfect for everyday use. Priced at around $150,000, the Air1 combines luxury, performance, and practicality, offering you a taste of the future of personal flight. Experience the ultimate convenience and adventure in the skies with the Air1 Electric VTO. Zapata Flyboard Air, a glimpse into the future of personal flight. The Zapata Flyboard Air is a thrilling new personal flight device designed by Frankie Zapata. This futuristic hoverboard lets you soar through the skies at speeds up to 100 miles per hour and climb to impressive altitudes of several thousand feet. Powered by multiple jet engines, it's controlled by a handheld throttle, giving the rider complete control for smooth, agile maneuvers. This groundbreaking invention offers a glimpse into the future of individual air transportation, where flying solo could become as common as driving. Though still in the testing and development phase, the Flyboard Air has already turned heads with its sleek design and exciting potential. People all over the world are captivated by the possibilities it opens up for personal aviation, making it one of the most talked about innovations in modern flight technology. Flying Gondola, a new era in air mobility. At CK 2019, Aeronex Company Limited, led by CEO Kuki Toy, introduced the groundbreaking Flying Gondola, a concept set to redefine air travel. Developed by Mobility Next Generation, this innovative drone offers a fresh take on air mobility, shifting the focus from just speed and convenience to safety, comfort, and enjoyment. Unlike conventional air travel options, the Flying Gondola provides passengers with a unique flying experience that combines the thrill of flight with the pleasure of taking in stunning aerial views. It represents a new era in air mobility, emphasizing a fun and free-spirited approach to flying. This concept is all about transforming how we experience the skies, making air travel not just a means to an end but an enjoyable part of the journey itself. Samson Sky Switchblade, the flying sports car. Imagine a car that can transform from a sleek sports car into a soaring airplane in just minutes. With the press of a button, you can go from driving on the road to flying above the clouds. The Samson Sky Switchblade is a revolutionary vehicle that makes this dream a reality. On the ground, it can drive at speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, while in the air, it reaches an impressive 200 miles per hour. It's designed to save you time, money, and gas by avoiding busy airports and congested traffic. The Switchblade offers the thrill of flying without sacrificing the comfort and safety of driving. It's the world's first flying sports car, a hybrid electric vehicle with 3 wheels that can be driven on regular roads and flown from any airport. When not in flight, the wings and tail fold neatly under the body, protecting them from damage and keeping the vehicle sleek and compact.
Whether you're on the road or in the sky, the Switchblade delivers a one-of-a-kind experience, blending the best of both driving and flying. Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation, based in California, is developing an all-electric aircraft. This aircraft can take off and land vertically, making it suitable for commercial passenger use. Joby's design features 6 revolving propellers. It can fly 150 miles at a speed of 200 miles per hour, all while producing zero pollution and noise. The aircraft accommodates 4 passengers and 1 pilot. It meets the highest safety standards. To launch an air taxi service, Joby Aviation collaborates with Uber, Elevate and other strategic partners. As a pioneer in advanced air mobility, Joby has been working on electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) technology for over 10 years. Big names like Toyota, Intel, JetBlue, and others have invested over $800 million in Joby. The company employs more than 1,400 engineers and experts. In August 2021, Joby Aviation went public. As of February 7, 2024, Joby shares are priced at $5.85, giving the company a market valuation of $4.08 billion. Joby plans to launch its air taxi service by 2024. This could revolutionize transportation in the 21st century. The Air Car. Italy has introduced an exciting innovation in transportation, the Air Car, a flying vehicle designed to push the boundaries of mobility. This futuristic, compact module boasts a maximum speed of 750 km per hour, making it a game-changer in the world of aviation. The Air Car can carry up to 4 passengers and offers exceptional stability and maneuverability. This is thanks to its 4 rotating Rolls-Royce jet engines, which can independently adjust their inclination and rotation, ensuring smooth, controlled flights. Constructed with carbon fiber monocoque, the Air Car is both incredibly strong and lightweight. Despite being in the early stages of development, its advanced engineering already promises impressive performance. Lazzarini, the company behind the Air Car, is working towards building a full-scale prototype by 2024. With cutting-edge technology and premium materials in use, it's expected to come with a hefty price tag, though the exact figure hasn't been disclosed yet. A similar design from Lazzarini has been projected to cost around $627,500, giving us a hint of what the Air Car might be valued at in the future. Volkswagen Hover Car. Volkswagen's People's Car project was created to understand what customers want in car design, especially in China. Over 1.19 million ideas were submitted by consumers. One of the most exciting ideas was the Volkswagen Hover Car. This 2-seater car hovers above the road using electromagnetic road networks. It's designed to be energy efficient and can easily navigate through heavy traffic. Due to its compact size, it's perfect for finding parking in tight spaces. The car has 2 driving modes. In the first mode, the driver is in control. In the second mode, the car drives itself, using sensors and the network for autonomous navigation. The Hover Car was presented at the 2012 Beijing Motor Show as part of Volkswagen's strategy to develop cars based on Chinese customer feedback. With advancements in electromagnetic technology and self-driving features, this concept could revolutionize transportation in the future.
EAG CityBot, a game-changer for urban mobility. The EAG CityBot is a cutting-edge autonomous vehicle designed to revolutionize city transportation. It's part of a smart ecosystem that not only supports public transport but also takes on various tasks like transporting passengers, delivering goods, cleaning streets, and maintaining parks. With its adaptable and modular design, the CityBot can switch between different roles based on what's needed. It connects with other robots and the city's smart network to operate efficiently in both urban and industrial areas. By attaching different modules, the CityBot can tackle any transportation or work scenario, making it incredibly versatile. As cities grow and traffic increases, the EAG CityBot provides an eco-friendly, flexible solution to these challenges. Plus, with digital micropayment systems integrated, it opens up new business opportunities, making it a true game-changer for the future of urban mobility.
Rolls-Royce Vision NEX 100. Introducing the Rolls-Royce Vision NEX 100, also known as the 103EX, a futuristic concept car that embodies the height of luxury and innovation. This car was created to celebrate the centenary of Rolls-Royce's parent company, BMW, and showcases the future of autonomous, electric-powered travel. With its sleek, sculptural design, the Vision NEX 100 offers a grand sanctuary for its occupants. Inside, bespoke materials and a panoramic skylight create an atmosphere of elegance and comfort, providing a truly luxurious experience. The Vision NEX 100 also features an AI companion named Eleanor. Eleanor enhances the journey by responding intuitively to the passenger's needs, adding a personal touch to the autonomous driving experience. This concept car is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of Rolls-Royce's commitment to crafting unique, timeless masterpieces that redefine the meaning of luxury. The Vision NEX 100 represents a bold leap into the future, blending tradition with cutting-edge innovation.